In this video I will go into detail about an ICO I recently discovered called CoinJanitor. The main purpose of this project is to restore lost value back into the crypto economy. In recent years it has become easier for any individual to create their own cryptocurrency. However, most of these projects failed because of a lack of interest from the crypto community, or simply because the developers gave up on the project. CoinJanitor aims to restore value back into failed projects by taking over those projects. They plan on doing this by enabling users who are in possession of any tokens from failed project to exchange those tokens for CoinJanitor tokens. CoinJanitor will then proceed to burning all dead tokens acquired from users, thus unlocking any value trapped in those failed projects. Users will be able to exchange their CoinJanitor tokens for Bitcoin or any other leading cryptocurrencies. It's important to remember that debt tokens will only be eligible for a swap if the CoinJanitor team has the cooperation and support of the failed project owners and communities. The CoinJanitor team has a goal of decommission at least 3 failed projects within the first 2 months of operations. The reason for this is to prove to the crypto community that CoinJanitor is a viable project and that the team can deliver on their promises. They plan on achieving this by working simultaneously with any projects they consider to have failed. Any failed projects decommissioned during the first leg of the CoinJanitor project will enjoy higher rewards as compared to failed projects decommissioned after several successful decommissionings by the CoinJanitor team. The value of the CoinJanitor token should also increase over time due to its deflationary nature and increasing community, absorbing communities from failed projects into their own community. Investors will be able to use a variety of currencies to purchase CoinJanitor tokens during the ICO. This is to ensure the entire crypto community can participate in the ICO, and not only BTC and ETH holders. Much thought has gone into laying out a process that takes into account possible scammers looking to cash out on CoinJanitor's buyout offer, while being mindful of the community and creators of the coins. Of course, I foresee some project owners feeling as if their defunct tech or code is worth more than they are offered. However, the fact remains that in all reality a failed project is no longer likely capable of generating positive cash flow. If I had an old man wanting to hand me a bag of cash for my failed project, I'd probably hug him. That fifth step is awesome, and potentially $1 million, no billion-dollar source of future revenues for the CoinJanitor project. I'm not programmer or computer engineer, but for a community to have access to a library of source code that can be picked through and implemented into new projects, that's gonna be some weird science and unique projects. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.